When I came here as a guest, I loved the way they treated me, made me feel, and just the whole environment, so I really wanted to contribute and be a part of that.
I chose to work for Cedar Fair because it'd be a great place to work, great reference for future jobs.
A typical day out in the water park for me is to ensure that we have all attractions open and running, that every lifeguard, supervisor, everybody we have working out in the water park is equipped to deliver a best day experience to our guests.
My job involves a lot of talking with guests and communicating with them, and basically making sure they're having the best day experience, and anything possible for them, anything they need is fulfilled.
The first thing I do when I see guests, I greet them, just making sure that they know we appreciate them for coming and visiting. Just making sure that the slides are clean, everything's up to date, everything's up and operational, working safety-wise before the park opens.
Safety is a big part of what we do out in the water park. I want to make sure that, that is a top priority for the lifeguards, but as well, I want them to make sure they're delivering an awesome experience for our guests that visit our parks.